Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, good grief.
Alright, got a new shipment in for our third semester at SDI. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox that real quick. I believe this is the lapping kit. So what we're going to do, already opened it up a little bit, so get back in focus here. Maybe? It does not want to focus. Start with our packing list. It says we have a Weaver scope base. It's our Weaver scope base. So right here. We have a scope, which is a 30 millimeter West Hunter. I think that's our 30 mil. It's looking like that. Vortex Hunter scope rings. Those right there. The Wheeler scope ring alignment and lapping kit. I'm guessing that's what this is. This thing is chunky. Cut this up real quick. Actually, haven't looked at this yet. This thing is chunkalicious. Alright, so it looks like we got the lap. Yep, looks like we got everything in there. So we got our lapping compound, and then the bits and bobs that go into that. So set that down right there. And then of course we've got our lapping lab liquid here. So that's the FTT221 lab book. Now, this shipment was packed with care and inspected by FTT. For those keeping count, that's 3. So now that we've got that, this is going to be for our FTT221 class. Yeah, looking forward to this one. This one's actually one I've been looking forward to for quite some time. So I'm really excited for that, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.